Newly leaked documents are pushing US President Donald Trump back into the spotlight, but this time not just for politics but for connections that have surfaced between him and some of the people linked to a major criminal network. Recently, a massive set of internal records tied to Jeffrey Epstein, a financier who died in jail in 2019, while awaiting sex trafficking charges, has been leaked. These documents, known as Epstein files, contain emails, flight logs, and other material that include names, photos, and communications involving hundreds of associates. They were shared with media organizations including BBC, CNN, and others, and are now being reviewed by journalists around the world. Among the names and messages in these files are some well-known figures, entrepreneurs, politicians, business leaders, and celebrities who at various times had social or business interaction with Epstein or with his close circle. The appearances of a name or photos in documents does not mean someone was involved in wrongdoing, but it does raise questions about extent of their connection to Epstein and his network. One reason this has grabbed global attention is that it includes emails between Trump and individuals like financier Ghislaine Dobin and billionaire investor Mike Novogratz, as well as communications reflecting others such as Richard Branson and Ron Broccoli. The document shows invitation to event, social exchange, and mention of shared acquaintance, painting a broader picture of Epstein's reach in elite social circles. Trump himself has responded by saying he does not recall extensive contact with Epstein and that any meeting were limited to social setting. Many years ago, he has pointed out that he was also a victim of Epstein alleged crimes and claims he cut ties with allegation emerged. Legal experts and journalists emphasize that being mentioned in the files does not automatically imply guilty. It simply means the person had some form of document interaction with Epstein or his network. These files are part of an ongoing legal battle. An investigation reporting they have emerged because courts in the US are releasing records that had previously been sealed during lawsuit over Epstein estate and related cases. Media organizations are now shifting through millions of pages to understand who appears in the record and why. For the public, this has opened a new chapter in understanding how powerful network might operate behind the scene, connecting wealth, influencer, and security. It also shows the complexity of high-profile investigations with social ties, legal battle, and media scrutiny in trust. In the coming week and months, our names and details are expected to be published as journalists continue to analyze the files. What remains clear is that these leaks have reignited decisions about accountability, transparency, and responsibilities of the public figures whose past associations are revealed. Faisal, Rehman, Pakistan Connect.